Alright boys, I've got a trade recap for today's price action. Took another W. This is the P&L on the day, 644. Prices have slightly varied because I fucked up my executions on my Trader 5, but I ended up passing the eval. And yeah, I basically forgot that my copy trader was on my Trader 5, so when I hit my buy limit on Apex, a buy triggered in on my Trader 5 account. Luckily enough, that ended up going in profit for me to flatten. So yeah, Trader 5 evals passed, and then we're up 230 on the funded. Today was the biggest edge of all mankind to this 4-hour draw. I mean, look how close we came. Now we're going to come and take it, but look at that shit. Anyways, coming into the day bearish. At the time, we had taking out London highs, SMT with Asia. Zooming out to the 4-hour, we're still in this sell model, wanting to see this low. So zooming into the 15, we had this 15-minute sell model. We have a shift, come up, tap into the 15. Upon market open, that happens, and then we buy back up. If I zoom into a 1 minute, you can see market opens, we end up dumping. We take out this internal sell side liquidity. Well, say internal, it's still a high time frame draw. But I wanted to see this 4-hour sell side over here. This is the next draw for us. Market opens, we dump, we take out this 4-hour internal. From there, I'm like, cool, hands off. Let's see if we can get some sort of remanipulation at the highs, which we did. We end up coming up, putting the SMT with market opens high, and then we get a very clean inversion gap. And then the change in the state, the last series of up close candles that manipulated the high, we have a down close and it's up close. We take out this internal high and manipulate this with the SMT. So that is our change in the state. And then the closure below there stops at this high. Took a contract off here. This is where my first TP was. Alright, and then holding the runner to that 4-hour sell side liquidity. Literally 2 handles away. So annoying. So annoying. But yeah, we'll see what price. Honestly, if we get some sort of, this is a scenario where I'm down to trade a PM because the draw on liquidity is so obvious. If we decide to come back up and, you know, give us a little bit of breathing room, then I'm down to trade the PM and cash the rest of this move. It's not me chasing price, it's just me being certain on this draw on liquidity. So yeah, we'll see what happens when 130 hits. I'll be watching the charts, but yeah, we'll see if any clean opportunities come. So that is the trade recap for today. Simple stuff once again. We are taking a lot of W's, so the funded account is looking good, and now obviously the eval's passed, thankfully. So yeah, going to be looking for this equal lows down here. And then we have the SMT at this high. ES ended up taking that, and then we're selling back off to that low. So pretty obvious draw, and then yeah, I'll get this funded account up and running, and we'll see if there's any more opportunity. So yeah, that's the trade recap for the AM session. Who knows if I take anything for the PM? I'll be back with another recap if I do. So yeah, if not, I'll catch you boys tomorrow, and yeah, it's looking good.